What's up, Josh here. So the Apple Vision Pro is finally out. I've had a blast over the past few days, but the thing that's really hard to show over camera and YouTube is how it's actually like to use it. So in this video, we're gonna be bringing a couple of my friends into the studio to test it out for the first time ever. We're gonna be capturing their genuine reactions. It should be an interesting video. Hope you guys enjoy. Get subscribed if you aren't already, and let's bring them in.
Whoa.
This is a little low.
Good. How are you doing?
Is this pillow? Are we rolling that or?
So what do we have in front of us today?
The Apple Vision Pro.
Apple Vision Pro.
The Apple Vision Pro.
What do you know about the Apple Vision Pro?
Not too much. It seems a lot like the Meta Quest Pro, but just Apple ecosystem.
Honestly, nothing. Maybe something about like AR, or is it VR?
I know that it's like a VR, AR headset.
You can just use like your hands freely. You don't need to hold anything.
Do you know how much this thing costs?
Nah, I can guess.
2,000? Higher? 3,000? Higher? 5 billion?
2.5K? High? 3K?
I think it starts at like 3,500, but you can buy a couple versions, right?
Yeah. Okay. How do you feel about that?
That's too much money. Yeah, I think it's a lot.
I think that's not super accessible for most folks.
Well, why don't you go ahead and open it up? It's already unzipped, so you can just open it.
My hands are like shaking.
Ooh. Cool.
Oh, whoa. Wow, okay.
Oh, that's nice. Soft. Oh, it's pretty light. It's lighter than I thought it was gonna be.
Oh, it's a little heavy.
Feels like a decent weight.
Pretty heavy.
Heavy, but like solid, you know?
Kind of looks like ski goggles, honestly.
They look like snow goggles, actually. More like fashionable for sure.
Stretchy.
Wow. Oh God, my heart. Huh?
Should I put it up? I love that, like, whoop. Okay.
Yeah, no worries.
All right.
Good to go.
Sweet.
Let's check this guy out. Whoa.
Tighten it. Is it this thing?
Yeah, tighten it.
Oh. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, cool. I could see you.
Look at your hands to set up. Whoa.
Hands up, complete, cool.
Look at the dot and tap your fingers together to select it. Ooh, that was good feedback.
I swear, this is harder than it looks, everyone.
Oh, that's super trippy.
Now just take your right hand
Okay.
and tap your thumb and index finger together.
Wow. Oh, that's so weird. I'm not used to using my eyes.
Oh my God, that's super weird.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's weird. Whoa, that's really interesting. Just being able to look at it and click.
Wow, it's really good with the eye tracking. I'm impressed.
It's pretty accurate though. Like, surprised it knows exactly where my eyes are going.
Okay.
So are you like sort of in the pass-through mode, like looking around you now? Mm-hmm. How is that?
It's actually pretty impressive, like very clear.
It's almost like a film.
It just feels like my eyesight, but like with some sort of like film over it. Just like slightly hazy.
It's good. It's different. I'm also like trying to see what I can actually focus on with my eyes, because there's some stuff that becomes in focus and then out of focus.
Okay, so go ahead and tap your digital crown once.
Oh, this one.
Whoa.
Wow, so those are really clear.
So the first thing I'll have you do is go into an environment. So on the left-hand side, you can tap on environments. Do you see those?
Yes. Okay, I tapped on it. Okay, oh my God, I'm on the moon.
Whoa. This is not Joshua Tree, but this is pretty. I don't know which one I clicked. Whoa. That's nice.
I'll do this one. Oh, wow. That's cool.
Whoa. Oh, whoa, weird.
Are you able to see me at all?
No, you're not here.
What if you focus on me? Hello?
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
It's like you're like the Teletubby baby son.
You're gone. Yeah, I don't even see you anymore. Well, I guess I see. Oh my God, I do see you. Wow, you look like Jesus or someone.
Oh my God, you're appearing. Oh, that's so weird. It's like you're fading in.
Oh, that is so weird. Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, Safari.
Yep. So try going to google.com.
Whoa.
Okay, so I just look up at where I would type in the URL, and now I've got this keyboard in front of me. Ooh, okay. Google. I'm clicking in this virtual keyboard that's just floating in front of my face.
This is gonna take a while. Hold on. Okay, G. Oh, never mind. There we go. Google. Nice.
It's so funny. I feel like I keep wanting to like use it the way that I would use like my phone or something, and like reach for it and actually touch it. And I keep forgetting that like you just look at it.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. I don't like that.
Well, the fastest way is definitely using my voice, but I don't really like clicking on the fake keyboard, the virtual keyboard with my hand. But going through the virtual keyboard just by using my eyes and then selecting each character is pretty quick.
So you're on the website now?
Yes.
How do you think you can scroll?
Looking down, or maybe if I look at it and then nope, that was not it. Maybe if I say go down. Go down. No. Oh, okay.
Is this how you're supposed to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can flick it too. Well, the same way that you were scrolling before, but like flick it up.
Oh. It's kind of like you're throwing it.
I have a question. Maybe if I look down.
It has something to do with pinching.
Whoa. I went like this, and then I just moved my wrist.
Oh, well, kind of. I guess I just kind of pinched and I'm looking at the page and I pinched and swiped.
And then to zoom, you do the same motion, but with both of your hands.
Oh, cool.
What do you mean with, oh, there it goes. There it went. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Interesting.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's really easy to use. I feel like even just moving a little bit, like, moves like quite a lot in terms of how much zoom you're getting.
It tracks well. It can, like, even when my hands are down here, I like that it sees it. Like, I can move the map around without even seeing my hands. Let's go to Space Mountain. Yeah, there we go.
Let's open up a spatial video.
Hey Siri, open photos.
I'm going to look at the one of the snow here. Oh, cool. What the heck? I could see the video and there's like depth to it.
All right, so, oh, cool.
Oh, wow. I'm there on the lift. Wow, the snowflakes are hitting my eyes.
Sweet, now I'm on the slopes. Yo, the snow is like in front of my eyes. It gives you that weird, like, remember those 4D freaking movies you used to watch?
Oh, this is really trippy. I'm driving your car right now. I guess because it's taken from like your point of view, then when you're in it, it literally feels like you're the one who's like, just, I don't know, like sitting in the car.
Weird. Yeah, definitely some depth going on here. It's kind of like watching a 3D movie.
Windshield wipers like go all the way the frick up here. Someone's face. This is amazing. It helps me experience whatever the person who recorded it experienced. So I think it'll be great for like sharing moments with people. Yeah, especially if it's like action sports or something. That could be kind of cool. Like if you're snowboarding with a buddy or if you're just doing something where there's a lot of motion and there's like other people and things to see everywhere. Like this would probably be really good.
Persona beta, get started. Okay.
Take this guy off.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now slowly turn your head to the left. Now tilt your head up. Then tilt your head down. Smile with your mouth closed. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now raise your eyebrows. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
Dude, that lady in the demo made it look so easy.
Oh, how bad is this gonna be?
Creating persona.
Choose lighting. Whoa. The red mark from the mask is all over my face.
Really? Oh no. That is weird. Wow. Oh, this guy's ugly though. What the heck?
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that's so funny. It's actually not too bad. It's weird seeing it when it's like trying to register me laughing. If my hair is moving here, it doesn't change in there. So my hair stays exactly how it was captured.
I look tired. I look high.
I want to call my wife. She's out in the other room. Isn't it so bad? It's so bad.
Whoa. How do I look?
Like AI.
You see how I look?
Oh God. That's how you look?
Yeah.
Ew, I don't like it. I shouldn't be reacting so negatively. Cool. All right, well, bye. Thanks for joining me in the metaverse. the Appleverse.
Creatures in this experience can see you and may react to you.
They can see me. Okay.
Everyone, we're looking at some dinosaurs, it sounds like. Oh, that's a cute butterfly.
There's a little butterfly that's flying around behind your head.
Okay, this is 3D. Sorry, I don't like butterflies.
Oh my goodness. It landed on my hand. That's cool. Oh, wow.
Oh my god, a baby dinosaur.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
No.
No way. No way. Oh God, what?
Oh, weird, okay.
I'm like, it feels like I'm actually gonna touch it. Aww.
Can I pet you? Oh, I pet the dinosaur.
All right, there's two of you now. I don't feel so safe.
Is it trying to protect me because I'm its friend?
It's like, I know it's not real, but it feels really real.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, dinosaur friend.
Oh.
That was cool. I'm so impressed.
But it was cool. When the dinosaur comes in your face, you're just like, okay, yeah, this, you look real.
That was by far the coolest feature. Like, and like the detail was super, super crisp and the sound is all around you. It's very hard to like convince yourself that's not actually happening.
The sound is actually really good. I like the spatialness of it. I don't even know where the sound's coming from. Like, it feels like I have headphones on, but my ears are open.
Welcome back.
Thanks. Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa, it's bright.
Final thoughts. I think I'm really pleasantly surprised by like how intuitive it is to use, except for like the little issues that I had. I feel like it was, I think because of how clear the like, what is it called? Like the pass-through display was. Like I didn't feel as claustrophobic as I was expecting.
I don't experience a lot of new tech often. I think it opens my mind to the possibilities of what you could do with it. Like certain photos can be used, how you can like change games now.
Definitely really impressed with how you really just use your eyes. Sometimes I didn't even realize my eyes were somewhere until like, I could see like the sensor already picked up that's where I was looking. I was like, I didn't even realize I was looking right there.
It was better than I thought it would be. I think because, again, like I've tried the Oculus before and I don't feel like it was nearly as just like immersive as this.
It's cool. Yeah, it kind of took a while to get used to, especially the controls and stuff. But once you get used to how it works, selecting with your hands and just looking at stuff with your eyes, feel like it was a little more straightforward.
Can I keep it?
Yeah, so I'm wondering, do you think it's worth $3,500?
You know, solely because of the potential of what it can do. Like, yes, I can see it being worth $3,500. I wouldn't buy it for $3,500 just because I don't feel like it applies to my life.
I think it would be worth it if there were more applications of it, like in day-to-day use right now. Like, I think if it was something like I literally had day-to-day things I could do with it, or like I would prefer to use it for day-to-day things, then it might be worth it. Can I bring it home?
Thank you. Still think it's worth $3,500?
No, no, sorry.
I don't think it's worth $3-4 grand, no. But honestly, even if it was $1,000, which I don't know how they could make it for any cheaper than that, I still don't know if I'd buy it. Because there's not a lot like jumping out to me. It's like, oh, I would use this for watching movies all the time because I like my TV, or like texting my friends. Even the FaceTime thing. The FaceTime thing was very strange when I could see what she was looking at, and even her reaction, like, she's like, I don't even know who I'm talking to. Very interesting, yeah. It's cool though.
All right, well, thanks for joining us.
Nice, thanks Josh.
All right, guys, that about does it. Hope you guys found those reactions interesting. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how much you would pay for the Apple Vision Pro and whether you think virtual reality is the future. Also, get subscribed if you want to see more tech content, especially with the Apple Vision Pro, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.